Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can generate types for your Supabase project, and basically what this will allow you is every TypeScript project that you're doing. Myself, I use Next.js, but basically you will be able to generate your database types while you use your project. This will allow type inference when you're fetching data from your database, and basically end-to-end type safety when doing any database operation, which is really useful when you want to make sure that your project is secure. So I'll show you the command that you need to run, and after that I'll show you how you can basically run it and see if it works with your table. So first thing I'm going to do is basically bring this here. So I'm going to show you how you can get basically the project ID of your Supabase project to run the command. So first I'm going to project settings and just copy the project ID that is in the general settings. This is not sensitive information. You cannot do anything with this actual project ID. But basically run the type, get the types from this project ID. So copy, and then after that what I want you to do is go back to your terminal. And for myself, what I did is I created the file in the types slash supabase.ts, but you can choose whatever you want. I'll just show you how to do this. So what we'll do is we'll just use npx supabase, and then we're going to use gen types with it, which is a command that is a standard in the CLE of Supabase. And then I'll do TypeScript as the TypeScript server. Then we'll do project ID, just like that. And then I'll just use mine that I already have. So just give me a second. So I'll copy this. And then what I'll do after that is I'll specify that I only want the actual types from the public schema. So just do schema public, just like that. And then this is where you can choose the name of your file. So for myself, I want to use type slash Supabase. So what I'll do is I'll just pipe the contents right into types slash Supabase dot ts, just like that. And then first time you run this thing, it's going to ask you to log into your Supabase account, and just do it. And then after that, it will generate the types. So as you can see, it regenerated the types right here. And you see that we have the JSON types, we have the whole database types, which allows us to get all our tables. So you can see those are my tables right here, and then you can reuse them. So let me show you how you can use them into one of your queries. So let's say I'm gonna use my branding table. So I have basically each table as its individual TypeScript file to do queries to. So what I do is now I can extract the types out of my basically my types Supabase file that I just generated. So I'm using the tables basically interface to extract the branding table types. And as you can see, those are my columns that I have in my database. If I can go and see my branding table, you can see that it's the exact same basically columns. I have logo, created that, updated that. If I can see here, I can see that logo URL, updated that, created that. So this is basically just extracting the types from a database. And then after that, what I can do is when I use a query that, let's say, get branding by slug, I can then return a promise that specify this will be the return type. And you know, it's more safe than if you were to basically say that the return type is just any like that, where you don't basically ensure the type is alright. So it's really a good practice to do when you're doing query through the database. Now, this is a good practice to do, but it's also something that is recommended by Supabase themselves. They have more documentation on that if you want to check it out on their website. But otherwise, that's pretty much how you generate types in your Supabase database. If you have any other question, post them in the Discord server down below, and I'll make sure to answer them as soon as I see them.